we say Nzambi Tata. Okay? What does mean Nzambi? Nzambi does mean energy in all reality. What is? Okay? Mbi. What is? Nza. Reality. Universe. That's why we call universe Amanza in Kikongo. Amanza. Nzambi. The energy, the life, the movement in everything that has life in the universe. That's why it's not someone who is sitting like they call it God. God is a creature, not is a creator, is a creature. Okay? I'm speaking in English, it's not my language. Okay? That's why you must pay attention to understand what I am saying. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why God, who must answer you, who is really must be the American people, the British people, because it's their creation. Okay? But the creator, okay, the maker of us, our maker, okay, we call him in his nature, we call him Nzambi Tata, okay, energy, okay, but his name as a being is Kongo. Kungu. What is Kongo? Ngu is the source of life, the source of energy. Ngu, Kungu. Okay? What is the source of energy? Just look to us. Let's make the bantu like us. We are going to make the people like us. Who is saying that? Nzambi. What we saw a man with a woman, a male with a female. Okay? Sun and moon, fire and wind, water and land, night and day.
King of Kings.
Follow us so you don't miss the other parts.